Hello friends, you're welcome to my channel. So today I am making this video to introduce my channel to you. Actually, I would have done this before now because I've started uploading videos already. I've uploaded videos on my channel, but I thought it nice to introduce myself, to introduce my channel to you. So this is an introduction video, and I say a very big welcome to you. You are welcome to this channel, MAGVIVI Creations. My name is Vivian Ihematulam. I am a chartered accountant, an educationist, and a fashion designer. Yes, I studied financial accounting, went for my professional training and courses, and I got qualified as a chartered accountant. And I went further to study education because I love teaching, I love impacting knowledge. So I started teaching children because I love children a lot. Okay, then my love for fashion also made me go into fashion and designing. I love fashion, I love creativity, I love doing things myself, I love fixing things. Even as a child, while I was growing up, I fix things myself. Whenever any of my things get spoiled, I fix it back. I make sure everything is good. So I love creativity a lot, and that is why I went into fashion and designing. My love for fashion and impacting knowledge gave birth to this channel, MAGVIVI Creations. Okay, I created this channel so that I can teach people, I can teach you how to sew. So this channel is about pattern drafting, sewing tutorials, fashion tips and styles. Okay, so you are welcome because I upload videos every week. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So that is it about MAGVIVI Creations. It's a channel for fashion, channel for pattern drafting, sewing tutorials, fashion tips, styles. That is what this channel is about. Okay, more on myself. I am a very simple person. Yes, I am a very simple person. Though I love fashion, I love beautiful things, but my person is just simple. I am a very simple person and a very easygoing person. At least a lot of people that know me say that about me. I am very easygoing and I love being myself. Okay, I love being just who I am. For my likes, I love honesty. Yes, I love it when people are honest, and I love anything good, anything that is of God. I love it. Then for my dislike, anything evil, count me out. Yes, my best food. I actually eat anything edible, and not just anything edible anyway. Anything that is good for my health, that is good for my well-being. Okay, so I don't really choose food. I eat anything delicious, yummy, and good for my health. Okay. Yeah, for marital status, I am a wife. Yes, I'm married. I'm a wife and a mother. I am a mother of 5 to the glory of God. Yes, I thank God for that. God has blessed me with lovely children. So thank you so much for watching. This is what MAGVIVI Creation is about. Fashion, 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 sewing tutorials, pattern drafting, and styles. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Just hit on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell beside it so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And please give this video a like. Okay, also join me on my Facebook group. is a very lovely group. It's a group where we share sewing illustrations, fashion tips and style. The name of the group is Fashion and Styles with MAGVIVI. So I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. So just click on the link and it will take you to the group. Also follow me on my Instagram page, MAGVIVI127. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Love you all. Bye.